Alrighty, here we go. So yes, we do have a quiz today. No, you don't have homework tonight. But let's run through these graphs pretty quickly. Ready? Yep. Problem number 1, it's set up this way. This is slope-intercept form. So you find where it crosses the y-axis first, so 0, negative 1. And from there, you go up 2 over 1. Put a dot, and there's your graph. Yes?
Yeah. On the test, would you need to do all points?
No, just those 2. You only need 2 points to identify a line.
Yeah.
2. Pay attention, please. Going quick. All right, the y-intercept of this is going to be 4. You agree?
Yes, sir.
So from that point, I'm going to go down 1, right 3. Again, I just have 2 points that I'm establishing and just draw my line through it.
So it always goes to the right. You always put the dot to the right.
I guess, yeah. I'd say in math, don't ever use the term always, because there's always a contradiction. All right, this one, does that make it easier?
Yep.
My slope is this, so from here I'm going to go here. That's what that looks like. Number 4. My y-intercept is negative 5. And my slope is up 3 over 2. Number 5. I'm going quick, so this isn't, if you didn't do anything, you're like, wait, I don't have that copy down. Well, good, you should have done it last night. All right, this is different. What am I asking for on this problem? Yeah.
Subtract.
No.
I know.
What do you know? Tell me.
It's y equals mx plus b.
No.
You have to divide 12 divided by...
No, Brett.
You divide it. You divide the 4 into the 12 and
I'd say I'd use the cover method. Yes, it does say go slope-intercept, but I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at this. Cover. Negative 2 times y gives me 12. So negative 2 times what gives me 12? Negative 6. Why? It's set up for the cover method.
No, it's like you're not dividing 12 divided by negative 2. 4 times what?
4 times 3 is 12. Huh?
Last time you taught us divide the 12 into the 2, which would be 6.
Cover method.
Yeah, I said that.
I got you. Ready? 0 is here. So that's that component right there. That's gone. So 4 times what number gives me 12?
Perfect.
That's 3.
You can multiply or divide. It's still going to be the same.
Why are you
4 times 3 is 12.
You're right.
12 divided by 4 is 3.
I think we're doing the exact same thing.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. We're good. All right. So 0, negative 6. 3, 0. Cover method work all day long. Look at those 2 points. Cool? What?
Can you just put in those in that exact format?
Heck yeah. That's why I did it that way.
Okay.
Number 6. Number 6, cover method works as well. Agree?
Yeah.
All right, so 0, blank, and blank, 0. So cover up the x value. So 4 times what gives me 8? That would be 2. And then cover up the y. So 2 times what gives me 8? That'd be 4. So 0, 2. The y-intercept. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Done. 7, cover method. Cover method, yes?
Yes.
Finds me 2 points. So covering up my x value is gone. So negative 6 times y, negative 6 times y needs to be negative 2. So negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. Okay? Covering up the y value. So negative 3 times x is 12. So negative 3 times what number is 12? And that's negative 4. So 0, negative 2. And then negative 4, 0. Right? 8. Cover method still continuing to work. It's in standard form. Shh, some of you are talking too much. Okay, I'm covering up my x value. So negative 4 times y gives me 8. Negative 4 times what number gives me positive 8? Negative 2. So negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. This is going to cover up the y. So x equals 8. So x is equal to 8. So 0, negative 2. And 8, 0. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Number 9. Again, cover method works really well. Okay, 0 comma blank and blank comma 0. Okay, I'm plugging 0 in for x, so that's gone. So negative 2 times y equals 6. So negative 2 times what number gives me 6? Negative 3. Okay, I'm going to cover up my y value. So 2 times x equals 6. So 2 times what number gives me 6? 3. So 0, negative 3, and 3, 0. Done. 10. Cover method works well. 3 times x minus y equals 9. Okay, I'm going to plug 0 in for my x, so I cover up my x value. Negative y equals 9. Negative y equals 9, so what's y equal to? Negative y equals 9, so what is y equal to? Negative y equals 9. What is y equal to? Thank you. So many of you don't, 9, it's 9. No, if negative y is equal to 9, then y cannot be equal to the exact same thing. Okay? All right. I'm covering up my y value. So 3 times x equals 9. So 3 times what number gives me 9? 3. Thank you. 0, negative 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down here. And then 3 comma 0. There we go. Number 11. Number 11 is now set up as point slope form, yes? Point slope form. What is my point? It's always opposite inside. It's always opposite here. Always opposite here. So 3 comma 2 is my point. Here's my point. What's my slope? 1/2. So from here I'm going to go up 1, right 2. Number 12. Again, we're using point slope. Okay, what's my point?
2 and negative 5.
Negative 5. 1. Slope. Slope. There you go.
Oh, so it's the inverse for the.
So down 2, right 1. 13, make sure you're catching on. Some of you keep shouting out the wrong answers. Y plus 7 equals 1/3 x minus 1. What's my point?
Negative 7. Negative, or 1, 7.
1 comma
Negative 7.
negative 7. Slope?
1/3.
4. 1, negative 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there, I'm going up 1, right 1, 2, and 3. 14. 14. Y plus 1 equals, if there's nothing out front, what must the number be?
1.
Good. All right, what is my point?
Negative.
Negative 3 and negative 1.
Negative 3, negative 1. What is my slope? 1. All right, negative 3, negative 1. Cat's over there. All right, slope is 1, up 1, right 1, so up 1, right 1. Cat, wave your hand. Number 15, last one. Number 15, last one. Y minus 3 equals negative 3 over 4, x plus 1. What's my point? Negative 1, 3. Slope?
Negative 3/4.
Negative 3/4. So down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. Done. Yes.
I saw the number 5 with slope 4, like y next to speed.
Yep.
And I didn't get the same answer as cover.
Well, you won't get the x and y intercepts right away. Okay, so I get this. Agree so far? And then divide everything by -2. X minus 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I did cover method, 0 comma blank, blank comma 0. So cover up the x, so I get to -6. That agrees. And then here I cover up the y, so that gives me a 3. It works.
So it doesn't matter which one you do.
It'll be the same graph. No matter how you manipulate it, it'll give you the exact same linear equation. Sometimes you might have this point and this point. Sometimes you might have a point here and a point here. Sometimes your points might be here. They could be different points because your line has an infinite amount of points, right? So like on point slope, if you had it set up as point slope, you're given some point that's not necessarily the x, y axis, and then you're using the slope to figure out where it grows. But a line is made up of an infinite amount of points, right? The cover method allows us to use the x and y axis as our 2 points. Slope-intercept allows us to use the y-intercept and use the slope to find a second point. And then point slope allows us to have some completely different point on that line and then use the slope to. So, but it's all going to be the same. They'll all work out. Cool?
Yeah.
So here's where the problem might be is if you had some line graphed like this and my answer is this, that means something didn't go in the right way. And it's possible I might have made an error too. So, cool?
Yeah.
All right. So listen to directions carefully. If you're handing in old homework, if you have old homework, not what I just marked off today, old homework. You still with me in this adventure? I need old homework put on this yellow chair. Your homework that I just marked off, which was what? Pages
69 to 72. Mister, you only want page.
That's okay. Okay, keep this at your desk. Put it on the floor next to your desk. I will come by and I will put your points in. But if you're handing in an old homework assignment, walk up here physically and put it on this yellow chair. Do not put it on 69, 70, 71. Put 69, 70, 71 on the floor by your desk. I will come by and put it in for you. Make sense?